lot of people have asked that we talk in our videos. Not quite sure what they want to hear, but we decided we would do that. So here is a 2005 International CXT 7300 4x4 pickup. This is the world's largest factory-produced pickup truck. Built by International in 2005 and 2006. People also commented they'd like to see the size of these vehicles in comparison to something normal. So here's a stock Toyota Camry sitting next to this behemoth of a super truck. International timed the production of these trucks a little poorly, as they were well over $100,000 when new. And obviously in 05 and 06 is when the economy turned downward. This particular unit is riding on Goodyear 445 22.5 tires, which you would see on extreme heavy-duty machinery typically. And this unit only has 17,000 original miles. There were not a lot of options on these units other than carpet, TV DVD system, and leather. Those were your basic features. They did also offer a dump bed, which this particular unit does not have. Somebody has upgraded the stereo system. This is an automatic with Allison. Even still has the factory floor mats still on the floor, and pretty darn perfect leather interior. Quick truck, and believe it or not, we have sold quite a few of these over the years, and a lot of people do use them as everyday drivers. Of course, their main purpose was to be a big show-off truck with capability to tow a big boat, big camper, big race car trailer. They are still pretty enjoyable as a normal vehicle, and it is nice to brag that you have the biggest production pickup on earth. Even sitting next to a lifted Super Duty with, say, 12 inches and 40-inch tires, this truck still typically dwarfs it. We don't typically find them with this lower mileage, that's for sure. This particular one has the DT466 engine, which is basically a non-emissions inline six-cylinder, pretty daggone beast motor. If you want any more details on this vehicle, feel free to give us a call or check on our website. We try to always at least have one of these vehicles in stock at all times. www.davis4x4.com. That's the number 4, letter X, number 4, just like a 4x4 truck. Stay tuned for more updates and videos to come.